ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom so pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
National Vice President Jong ke National People's Party uba Preston Tensong uba dairu sembut Menteri Rangba Jong ke Jelna ula takrain teng ayu Presiden Jong ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala uba la keno uba ke Secretariat kadai ke Krem ki Mentuh. Hagajing ya keren bat ke Batisi TV uba Preston ulaong. Bakum gani ke jing keno kalong ke bakyab ha bat ke longru kum ke jing yalam bakalai ki pait ba henrei kumbang itip baka Secretariat kedai ke Tempel Jong ke Roy kapar bat ke dairu botlum bat ke jabing Jong ke Jilla.
I never expected the stature of 3-time MP to talk in that way. I really never expected him such a very high stature in the name of Mapala, alleging that the Secretariat is a den of thieves. I think this this statement is very serious. If you're trying to mislead people of Meghalaya by saying that Secretariat is a den of thieves, you tell me, how can you say that? Secretariat is a temple of the development. Secretariat is what? Secretariat is the backbone, the brain of the state. So this kind of statement, I think, I would request Vincent Pala not to be measured. Please don't give this kind of statement, because people judge whatever words you speak out. You should not just speak out of emotion. When you speak, please assess. Talk. When you talk, don't talk nonsense. Talk sense. At least people of the state also understand that. Let them understand. And they should understand. Never in my political career who will talk that way, who will say that the den of thieves is Secretariat. So I think that is wrong, and I really request Mr. Pala to refrain from this kind of statement, which is not at all healthy. Not at all healthy, but showing your immaturity in politics.